Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a series on entrepreneurship. This one is about how to begin a business with emails. Quick about me, I have an MBA from UCLA, Anderson Graduate School of Management, and I've also started many companies. And my latest column about teaching entrepreneurship is called Digital Entrepreneurship, and I'm writing a lot of emails for my new business. I researched the web because I wanted an email platform that was easy to use with really beautiful templates. I'm always impressed by some of the emails I get on my end, and I needed to bring up my own business to match what was out there. It seemed really daunting though, because I do not have a degree in graphic arts. So I researched the internet and I found MailerLite. The reason I like MailerLite is they make it so simple for me to do this type of marketing. It's really important to reach customers, especially past customers, because I have so many of those that have ordered videos from me along the way. I wanted to get to them and say, I have new products for you. I started a company called Amazon Sales Videos, where I can make Amazon videos and website videos. And I wanted to reach all those customers that I might have been selling other things to in my lifetime. And I didn't know how to put a presentation together to them, but I didn't want to turn them off with the very first email looking lousy, because then they wouldn't open the next. So it's really important when you first start an email business to present your very first email as beautiful as you can. MailerLite has all kinds of templates based on company designs that you can use for free. Their whole MailerLite program doesn't even cost any money at all to start with. That's fantastic. It's advanced email marketing and it's made really simple for you to use it, which is what I needed. I love the drag and drop email builder. This made it so simple for me to start my look. The landing pages were beautiful, and I also could do pop-ups. That seemed like that was something I would never be able to figure out, how to do HTML codes to make pop-ups. I am not computer savvy. I am not a software designer. I'm a business designer. And I could even integrate my MailerLite with other programs I used. As I started this company, I didn't have many contacts to send it to because I was building my business. So that was a free service to use MailerLite. Let's say you have a newsletter and you want to get subscribers. For the first 1,000 subscribers, it's free. What a great way to get your blog out there. I'm going to show you how to set up your first email. I'm going to use my company as an example. I completed my profile. Time to create my first campaign. I created a catchy title. Then I selected the new drag and drop editor. And then I added my image. I changed the title. I added a description that I had written beforehand so I knew exactly what I wanted to say. And then I went through and got the social links I wanted to use. From there, I added the promotional video, something I made up for a message from my potential customers. Then I previewed my MailerLite campaign. I have even more companies and different mailing lists I'd want to use for each of them, and this program MailerLite has made it so simple for me. I'm so excited because with email marketing made more simple, I'm able to do more businesses this way. Comment and let me know what your challenges are in your email marketing, and let's start a conversation about that. Click the link below to get MailerLite and start your email marketing program. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video, especially when I'm doing this entrepreneurship series. You're going to want to follow that because it has lots of tips on lots of different subjects that might really matter for building your own business. Let's keep making great recipes in life, like recipes for a home run business, because you can make a home run business out of your home. See you next time. And for more videos about running businesses at home, check out these other videos. They're in the same genre.